Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions, bringing you a quick tip on renderings today. I pulled up a file from a potential client here who sent me this model, and I started looking around the screen around the model. I'm thinking, I have not seen this black and white version of these renderings before. So I wanted to show you where I found the solution. I use my toolbars here, this Edit Active View tool, where you can go to Tools, Active View, Edit Active View here, and just simply show color right there. Click OK. Now this camera shows the color. If I switch back to this camera, it is not in color. So what we would need to do is do the same thing, Edit Active View, and show color. What we can do also is go to our defaults, because you'll notice before I do that, if I pull up another camera view, it's still the gray, the black and white version. So let's go to my default settings and use this wrench. You can go to Edit Default Settings and Camera Tools. Let's go to Full Camera and double click on that, Show Color. Perspective Full Overviews, Show Color. Floor Camera, Show Color. Perspective Floor. You're just going to have to go through each of these here. Cross section views already shown color. That's show color. That is orthographic. Done. Now when I pull a camera view, it's automatically, the default is set up to show color. So whether you want to show color or show black and white, you can do that in the Edit Active View for each individual camera, or from this point forward, if you want to change it, go into your default settings and camera tools and change each of these camera tools to show color or not show color. Hope that's helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Click like and subscribe down there. I'll see you next time.